Good day, Sir Noel Nasenrado. I am Iman Greg A. Consad, and today I'm gonna report in our subject electrical machines. So our topic for today is transformer. So a transformer is an electric device that transports electrical energy between two or more circuits through electromagnetic induction. It is used to increase step up or decrease step down voltage levels in power system, enabling efficient transmission and distribution of electrical power. Construction of transformer. The transformer operates on the principle of Faraday's law of electromagnetic induction, which states a charge in the magnetic flux through a rush individual electromotive force, or EMF. In the circuit, the key components of the transformer include step-up transformer function increase the voltage from the primary winding to the second, any winding. Application used in power generation plants to increase the voltage for expedient transmission on long distance. Advantages: reduce transmission losses, increase voltage which detenses current and consequently. Disadvantages: requires high insulation and to high generating voltages. Safety measure due. Auto transformer function shares windings between the primary and secondary, offering variable voltage output. Application used for voltage regulation and to provide small voltage changes power system. Advantages: more compact, efficient, and cost-effective compared to the standard transformer to the power rating. Disadvantages: secondary does not provide electrical between primary circuit. So that's all for today. Thank you for listening.